What's this friendship you did?
Look, take this out of your mouth and talk to me. Say, look what he's doing to my table. He's naughty.
So he stops it.
Yeah, he's been a good boy now because I've got the camera on him.
Don't you hit?
And there's his mummy. Say hi, Kate. Another one doesn't like cameras. Look at him, sticky beak-itis. So where's this food? Thomas, can I eat you? Can I eat you?
Burger bag.
Oh, yum. Yum. Is that big enough, that dummy? Look at it. Oh. Say hello.
Food.
Blow me a kiss. That's probably why I feel so sick, because you're not allowed to have any of these pills on empty stomach. No, this is mine. Look, and I'll show you something. Look at that. See this? Kate, look at this. This is how you film yourself.
I'm